We'll guide you through how to fix a dead Fire TV stick remote. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem's annoying as you're then unable to go and use it, so we'll guide you through some different fixes you can try. So first of all, of course, you want to go and try replacing the batteries. So you can go and remove this back cover like so. And what you can do is go and put some fresh batteries in there. Now return to your Fire TV stick and tap and hold down the home button on it for 10 seconds and see if it connects. If it still doesn't, then what you want to do is disconnect the power supply to the Fire TV stick. Now come on to the remote. You want to go and press down the return button, the menu button and left button for 15 seconds. When that time passes, release. Now you want to go and take the batteries out of the remote, reconnect the power supply to the Fire TV stick, put the batteries back into the remote, and then what you can try doing is tapping down the home button for 10 seconds. After a minute or two, you may get a pop-up about not being able to detect your remote, and you can then tap and hold the home button to connect. Otherwise, come onto your phone and open up the App Store or Google Play Store and get the Amazon Fire TV app and press open. Follow the instructions and you can then connect to your Fire Stick with your phone. Make sure you're using the same Wi-Fi. Go to the far right to select them, and then what you need to do is go to Remotes and Bluetooth. Select Amazon Fire TV Remotes and then add New Remote. Come onto it and tap and hold the home button and then press the OK button on your phone. It's now working as you can see.